Today we arrived at Shimawa restaurant. Let us get acquainted with some of the variety of dishes here. Today we exploring 5 variety dishes like chicken fried ginger burger, kuttu parota, Afghani chicken rice, meat puttu and diamond prawn. Let's start from welcome drink. The blue drink is come with blueberry, almond, cashew nuts, milk and sugar. The other drink is come with peanut chocolate, dry fruits, milk and sugar. Then comes the crab claw, chicken nuggets, French fries and diamond prawn. It is a special dish kuttu parota. It can be prepared in meat, veg and egg. Chicken fried ginger burger. It is made with 2 layers of fried chicken, salad, mayonnaise and ketchup. Next up is the chicken tandoori club. It is made with 3 layers and one of layer comes with chicken tandoori. The rest of the layer comes with egg, sauce and salad. It is a special dish meat pot. It can be prepared in chicken, prawn, beef and mutton. Next is Afghani chicken rice. It is come with a spicy white gravy. This gravy is making with almonds and cashew nuts. It is a low spicy dish.